Greetings, everyone. I'm Rashi Roop Lakshmi. I'm a mother to two super kids, wife of a very smart man, and daughter of two lovely souls. I am an intellectual property lawyer turned tarot reader, an astrologer, and now a manifestation and a performance coach. I am today an author of the book Manifest Your Quest, The Power of You. Reach out to your dreams faster than you ever thought possible. This is what this book is all about. If you are someone who's looking out to achieve your dreams, manifestation of your goals, then this book is what you need. Guys, I was going through a lot of issues in my life, and I thought that I should pen down my life story with respect to how did I come out of it. This book is all about my story and how did I manifest success for myself. There is a lot of things that I have given away in this book. Since I am a manifestation and a performance coach, this book is a prelude to my coaching. And during this time of pandemic, I believe that when people are going through a very difficult phase in their lives, where there are many people who have lost their jobs, lost their loved ones, they're feeling desolate, depressed, and there's so much negative things happening in the current scenario, and we do not know what is the predicament of what is going to happen. Most of us are vaccinated, but we still do not know what is there coming for us. So this book will help you come out of the negative state that you're in, will help you reach out to all that you are looking for in your life, will give you a lift, not only a lift, it'll give you something to look forward to in your life. If you're someone who has dreams, who has goals, and who believe in living their lives, who believe in manifestation of your dreams, then this book is for you. Not only that, go read this book, not just for reading's sake. This book is not just a book. It is a complete compendium on how to change your life, how to transform your life. You can really, really do it if you want to. So, this is my contribution to the society today when people are going through so much of negativity. And I'm really thankful for any 8X for offering this. I'm very thankful, very grateful I'm truly humbled for this award, any X8, for honoring me with this award, for the Tagore Memoriam Award, for this award. And I'm truly, truly grateful for that, for honoring my work, for all the efforts that I've put in, for all the work that I'm giving into the society. Thank you. This is a small way of making us feel appreciated. Thank you so much, any X8. This is truly, truly, well appreciated by us authors. Thank you so much. And my message to the young generation is, the world might be going through a shift, but it is we who have to decide our lives, and we cannot let anything come in the way of our, of what we have dreamt for ourselves. And what may, we need to live our lives not only for us, for our loved ones, for our parents, for all that, and we need to give it back to people, give it back to the world. Unless and until we do not give back, we will never feel what we really are. Thank you so much. That was my take. Thank you.